Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today we will learn English through a simple and meaningful story. The title of today's story is The Helpful Shopkeeper. In this lesson, you will improve your listening, learn useful vocabulary, practice speaking English. So relax, listen carefully, and enjoy the story. On a quiet street, there was a small shop. The shop sold food, drinks, and daily items. The shopkeeper's name was Mr. Lee. Mr. Lee was known for his kindness. He always greeted customers with a smile. "Good morning," he would say. "Can I help you?" One day, a young boy named Tim walked into the shop. He looked a little worried. He walked slowly and looked around. Mr. Lee noticed him. "Hello," Mr. Lee said gently. "Can I help you?" Tim nodded. "I need some bread," he said. Mr. Lee picked up a loaf of bread and gave it to him. "Here you go," he said. Tim looked down at his hands. He seemed nervous. I don't have enough money," Tim said softly. Mr. Lee paused for a moment. Then he smiled. "That's okay," he said kindly. "You can take the bread." Tim looked surprised. "Really?" he asked. "Yes," Mr. Lee replied. "You can pay me another day." Tim's eyes filled with gratitude. "Thank you so much," he said. The next day, Tim came back. This time, he had the money. He gave it to Mr. Lee. "Thank you for helping me yesterday," he said. Mr. Lee smiled. "You're welcome," he replied. From that day, Tim visited the shop often, not just to buy things, but to talk to Mr. Lee. The small shop became more than a store. It became a place of kindness and trust. And Tim learned something important. A small act of kindness can make a big difference. Now let's learn some important words from the story. Shopkeeper. A shopkeeper is a person who owns or works in a shop. Example, Mr. Lee is a shopkeeper. Bread. Bread is a common food made from flour. Example, Tim bought some bread. Enough. Enough means having as much as needed. Example, Tim did not have enough money. Kindness. Kindness means being nice and helpful. Example, Mr. Lee showed kindness to Tim. Now let's listen again. This time, listen slowly and repeat. There was a small shop. Mr. Lee was the shopkeeper. One day, Tim came to buy bread. He did not have enough money. Mr. Lee helped him. Tim came back the next day. He paid the money. They became friends. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. Can I help you? I don't have enough money. You can pay later. Thank you for your kindness. Excellent work. Great job today. You just learned English through the story The Helpful Shopkeeper. Remember, kindness is simple, but it can change someone's day. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning English!